No, let's learn another simple sentence in Igbo. To say I don't have money in Igbo, using our sound like helper. Ewe gim ego. Together, ewe gim ego. Then in Igbo language, we say ewe him ego. Ewe him ego. That's good. So quick quiz, how do you say "who saw my bag" in Igbo? Good. Igbo champion. I know you get it. So thank you for learning one sentence today. Keep practicing and learning one sentence at a time. Please subscribe and like for more. Bye.